Hey everyone, Build It here with this month's ProFi Box. So this is the month of May. This is the ProFi Box. This is the box that comes from Filament 1 that contains 2 rolls of filament in it. So that's 2 kilograms of filament. I'm going to do the opening here, and I just got it when I got home. It was on my front porch. Of course I work. It's already now 8 o'clock in the evening here in California, and so it's one of those things of I got home late. Nobody here but me. My wife is gone to Russia for 2 months. She comes back in the June. So let's get in the box here and do our thing. We got some Welch's fruit snacks here. And then we have our first roll of filament, which looks like it's a fluorescent orange, maybe a semi-transparent orange. Can't tell. It says it's called Pro Select Flash Orange. Looks kind of like a translucent orange to me, and the way that it looks. And then, they did the box a little differently this month. They actually have a divider in the bottom. And of course, there's a little sticker in here that says, "We've tried the best. Oh, you've tried the rest, now try the best." That's the little sticker right here. I don't know if you can read that or not. There's that. The packing slip, who cares, right? Nobody cares about the packing slip. Turn the box upside down. Nope, they didn't let me do that. I thought I could get it that way. That's okay. Pull out that piece of cardboard and get to our second roll of filament here. And our second roll is a green, and it's got glitter in it. It's a glittery green, so that means it must be a glint. That's Filament 1's way of doing their filament that has glitter in it. They call it glint. So this is the Glint Evergreen. So there we go. Glint Evergreen, green, and the orange, the whatever they call it, orange again, flash orange. So those are the 2 filaments we got for this month. Got the candy, got the little wrapper here, and that's it. No special item this month. Like last month, it was a nozzle, which I've already used. So that's where we are. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that. These are the 2 filaments. A nice orange, a nice green. I know you can't really tell by the colors on my monitor, from this camera, but that's what color they really are. Let's see it on the other camera. You can get a little bit better idea of the orange here. Like I said, it looks more like a translucent orange, and they call it orange flash orange. Let's see, that right side up? Yeah, that's right side up, so you can maybe read that. Flash orange Pro Select, and then the Evergreen Glint. Let's see, get sure we got right side up. There's right side up. It says right on there somewhere. If I can get this thing to learn to focus. Anyway, this is the Evergreen. See if I can get a better view of it here, of the green. So that's the Evergreen. And that pretty well wraps up that for the month. The plans are this weekend I'll be building another printer. Hopefully it comes out okay. I hear some bad things about the company that makes the printer. But that's the way things are sometimes. So we'll work through the issues and try and figure out what makes it tick and what makes it work. So it will be a Delta printer, and it will be my first Delta. So maybe I'm starting off the wrong foot with this, but hey, you don't got to start somewhere, right? So I will do what I can do with it. The plan is, like I said, to try and build it this weekend, and hopefully that all works out okay. All right, we'll talk to you all later. Have a great one. Until next time, catch you later. Bye.